Hi, I'm Tash from Family Photography by Natarsha March, and I'm really excited to announce my upcoming in-person workshop with Belly Baby Wear Australia. We're going to be working with maternity models and their families to create video products that you can sell to your clients. At this in-person workshop, we'll be photographing maternity models on their own and with their family in the studio using natural light and continuous light, and then we're also going to come out to the studio gardens outside here where we can then photograph all in the same location with the best of both worlds. You'll need to bring your own camera because after I talk you through the set, you'll take over and capture your own video and photos to use in your own portfolio. After lunch, we'll be editing together a video using the footage that we captured that morning. You'll leave this 4-hour workshop with the knowledge and confidence of how to easily create professional video products for both your business and for your clients. It's all happening May 30th and it's going to be awesome, but seats are limited and they are selling out fast. So make sure you grab yours now and we'll see you there.